All right, viewers, let's cut across right now to the Kal Bhairav temple. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi has landed in his constituency of Varanasi. Well, he is here to inaugurate the first phase of the Kashi Vishwanath corridor, his dream project which he embarked on in 2019. As many academics, many people that you speak to in Varanasi would say that this was a mini reform that the Prime Minister pushed through in his own constituency, because there was a lot of resistance earlier on. A lot of residents who lived around the Kashi Vishwanath temple refused to give their land for the corridor development. But finally, the Prime Minister and his team managed to convince them. There were a lot of controversies, but today the visual spectacle that the Kashi Vishwanath corridor is spellbinding. This is the first phase. 50% of the project is still left in terms of the work will continue, but the inauguration will happen today. These 2 days that the Prime Minister is in his constituency, extremely auspicious, viewers. He is right now at the Kal Bhairav temple. The reason that he has gone to the Kal Bhairav temple, well, local folklore here demands that if you are going to visit the Kashi Vishwanath temple, the first stop for you to pay obeisance to Mahadev is at the Kal Bhairav temple. Let's listen in to the Aarti right now, which is being organized as the Prime Minister walks into the Kal Bhairav temple.
भानुकोटि भास्करं भवाब्धिकारकं परं नीलकण्ठमीर्तिदानदायकं त्रिलोचनं कालकालमम्बुजाक्षमक्षशूलवक्षरं काशिकापुरादिनाथकालभैरवं भजे शूलडङ्कपाशडङ्कपाणिमाणिकारणं श्यामकायमादिदेवमक्षरं निरामयम् हेमविक्रमं प्रभो विचित्रकण्ठवप्रियं काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे भक्तिमुक्तिदायकं प्रशस्तचारुविग्रहं भक्तवत्सलं निजं समस्तलोकविग्रहं विनिर्गुणं मनोज्ञ हेमकिङ्करीं रसस्तटिं काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे धर्मसेतुपालकं धर्ममार्गनाशनं कर्मपाशमोचकं सुधर्मदायकं विभुं स्वर्णवर्णशेषपाशशोभिताङ्गमण्डलं काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे रत्नभासुकाप्रभाभिरामपादयुग्मकं नित्यमद्वितीयमेकदेवकं निरञ्जनं मृत्युदर्पनाशनं करालदंशमोक्षणं काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे अट्टहास भिन्न पद्मजाण्डकोशसन्तति दृष्टिपाप नष्ट पाप जाल मुक्त शासनम् अष्टसिद्धिदायकं कपालमालिकन्धरं काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे दुःखसञ्जनायकं विशालकीर्तिदायकं काशीवासलोक पुण्य पाप शोधकं विभुं नीतिमार्गकोविदं पुरातनं जगत्पतिं काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे कालभैरवाष्टकं पठन्ति ये मनोहरं ज्ञानमुक्तिसाधनं विचित्रपुण्यवर्धनं शोकमोहदैन्यलोभकोपतापनाशनं ते त्रयन्ति कालभैरवाणि सन्निधेश्यां भैरवो देव संसारभयासम् अनेक जन्म कृतं पापं दर्शनेन
रुद्राज वाला पहिना ना ई वाला माला पहिला
तो बाबा विश्वनाथ धाम की नगरी और वहां पर पहुंचे हैं प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी और काल भैरव मंदिर में बाबा के पास मत्था टेकने पहुंचे हैं।
प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र
All right, viewers. Now, the Kal Bhairav temple is supposed to be one of the most ancient temples of the city of Varanasi. It's a temple where local folklore believe before you actually enter the main city of Varanasi, which are the ghats, you need to go and pay obeisance to Kal Bhairav. Now, I'm just going to dig a little deeper in what is the spiritual context of Kal Bhairav. Kal Bhairav is supposed to be the fiercest form, viewers, the fiercest form of Lord Shiva. It is respected in terms of its ferocity that even death is supposed to be scared of that roop or, that side of Lord Shiva, which is Kal Bhairav. And the reason why most people do go to the Kal Bhairav temple is to ward off any ill luck. It's a deity of Lord Shiva, which is garlanded with skulls. So one can well imagine the kind of roop of Lord Shiva that Kal Bhairav is. In the city of Varanasi, it is one of the most ancient temples, and protocol, if there is religious protocol demands, that is the first stop for any visitor who doesn't actually live in the city of Kashi, Banaras, Varanasi. But the first stop, if a visitor is coming to visit Varanasi, is go to Kal Bhairav temple. Once again, Kal Bhairav is the fiercest form of Lord Shiva. And, I was just talking to a local Pandit here, and he was actually telling me that even death is said to be scared of that form of Lord Shiva. So one really does understand that why devotees of Lord Shiva, this is, they call it the Nagari of Lord Shiva, that why death is actually scared of that form of Lord Shiva, which is the Kal Bhairav roop of Lord Shiva, and why devotees would go there. The Prime Minister is at the Kal Bhairav temple. From there, he's going to make his way to the Kashi Vishwanath corridor, which he will inaugurate. And there's a time frame of that as well, viewers. He will inaugurate the Kashi Vishwanath corridor from about 1:30 to about 1:45 p.m. Now, his first pit stop was the Kal Bhairav temple. Is one of the most ancient temples of Lord Shiva. This temple has a strong link with the history, the culture of the city. Whoever you speak to will tell you that the Kal Bhairav temple is the fiercest form of Lord Shiva. The deity is portrayed as a man wearing garlands made with human skull. It is said that death itself is afraid of this form of Lord Shiva. It is said that Kal Bhairav decides who has to stay in Varanasi and who should not. People of Varanasi,